Our recent COVID Heroes issue of View magazine highlighted the work of frontline staff and volunteers during the pandemic. Belfast-born author and broadcaster Angela Graham, whose short story collection, A City Burning, is published next month, pays her own tribute, especially to bus drivers and car workers.
I'm Angela Graham. I've written a book, these are the proofs, and I'm about to send them to the publisher. They're for a book of short stories called A City Burning. Originally I wrote 24, but in the early months of the pandemic, I was so affected by the plight of certain workers and their high exposure to risk of Covid-19 that I wrote 2 more, and these are now in the book. One story is about a bus driver, the other about a domiciliary care worker. I was very affected to learn that it was workers such as bus drivers, shop assistants, construction workers, security guards, taxi drivers that stood a very high chance of catching Covid-19, and I followed their plight as they struggled to get adequate PPE. Also, domiciliary care workers, it seemed to me, had little attention until late on in the early stages of the pandemic. Bus drivers mean a lot to me because in the early years of the Troubles, several times it was a bus driver who put his life on the line to make me and fellow passengers safe. Those people didn't have to take that responsibility, but they did. I looked after my mother and parents-in-law for 15 years at home, and I know how important domiciliary care work is. So, for all those workers who meet the public every day, and the public is me, it's you, it's all of us, thank you.